All right, so we're here on this beautiful, sunny, wonderful day. It's a nice, warm 28 degrees outside.
Oh yeah.
So what are we doing today?
Today on My Extraordinary Life, we are going to put the Tesla wheel cap kit on. So I got my winter tires on, and when I did that, I decided to take off the Aero wheel caps. So we just have the regular rims now, and they don't look very good. So we definitely need these center caps and the lug nut caps to put on top of it. So before we do that, we want to clean the tires up, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so we have a Brillo pad, we have some Car Guys professional wheel cleaner, bucket of warm water, and a microfiber cloth. So I'm going to spray it in here. And then scrub as much of that rust off as I can. Voila!
All right. Looks a lot better, doesn't it?
Yeah, looks so good. I like it.
All right, good job.
Thanks. Now let's go inside. It's freezing.
All right.
If you like this video, then like this video. If you want to comment, then comment. And if you want to subscribe, then subscribe.